If you have a product-based or a service-based business and it's under a brand name that you came up with that you absolutely love, and you don't want anyone else to copy you, like you don't want somebody else to have the same brand name under similar goods and services. In other words, it would actually really upset you if you see somebody using a similar brand name in a similar goods and services category as you. Then you need to get a trademark certificate, because that is the only way to show that you are the brand owner. Otherwise, your brand is just out there and there is no proof or there is no certificate that you own the brand name. So then you're like, okay, great, let me go trademark my brand. Whether that's a logo or a slogan or the brand name itself, just any brand identifier, because any brand identifier can be trademarked. So when you go and you apply for the trademark and you do it without a trademark attorney, you fill out the application, you put in your credit card and you send it off, there is a very high likelihood, and when I say high likelihood, I mean like very high likelihood that you're going to get what's called an office action, also known as a rejection. And the USPTO does not issue a refund when they send you your rejection letter. As a trademark attorney, I have seen it all. And a lot of my clients have come to me after they have already tried DIYing their own applications. And if you're someone who was on the same boat, you applied without an attorney and now you're stuck with this office action rejection, we do have like specific trademark takeovers for people who are in that boat, but it's just so much more expensive to go that route. It's always best to start off with a trademark attorney in the very beginning. And I know it sounds like I'm just on here trying to sell my services, but I just really wish everyone knew that the trademark process is not just an application where you send off money. It is really a legal proceeding. The whole process can take 1 year, 2 years. It really just depends on what your trademark is. At the very least, if you know you're going to apply for a trademark sometime in the future, at the very, very, very least, if you have no budget, nothing, and you're like, I can't afford to hire an attorney to do it, at least do a legal strategy call. And, it's nothing compared to the thousands that you are going to waste at the very end if your mark gets rejected. Because there's so much that goes into a trademark application, it's worth it to just get on the phone and be like, hey, what do I need to do? What do I need to be aware of? Am I doing this right? Just at least get some sort of something so that you're not blindly going into it, and that you're filing it with some sort of strategy before sending off your money that you will never see ever again. Because remember, they do not refund you. So my takeaways from this video is, if you really like your brand name and you don't want anyone else to steal it, trademark it. Have a trademark attorney help you with it so that they can be your attorney of record throughout the entire process and take care of everything for you from beginning to end. And number 3, if you can't afford an attorney, a trademark attorney, then at least get on a legal strategy call with a trademark attorney so that you are not going in the whole process blindly. And as always, all the links are right here.